Hello all, this is my first video on cooking. I'm going to tell you how to prepare a chicken double layered dum biryani. For this, first step is take a pan, pour 1 glass of water, half a spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of ginger garlic paste, then half a spoon of salt, a pinch of garam masala, stir it well, and then put half a kg of chicken. This preparation will serve a people of 4 with a medium diet. Okay, and this biryani I'm going to put it in a 3 different portions so that it is easy for you to understand. This is going to be the first portion. After pouring the chicken, just close the lid and allow it for 7 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. This is going to be the second portion. Take another pan, pour 5 to 6 spoons of oil in it. Once the oil is hot, you can add the spices like cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves and cloves. Once this is added, stir it well and then take 1.5 medium sized onions cut into longer pieces. Then stir it well till it becomes light brownish. Then you can add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 pinch of garam masala, 2 pinch of garam masala, 3 to 4 tomatoes. Onion and tomatoes should be 1:2 ratio. For example, 2 onions, 4 tomatoes. It should be like that. Okay, take all the greens. Here I have taken half a hand of mint leaves, 1 hand of coriander and 2 green chilies. Stir it well. Meanwhile, our chicken is ready. We have to take and keep the stock separately and chicken separately. I have got half a glass of chicken stock from this. This is going to be the third portion of making biryani rice. Add half a glass of chicken stock, 3 glass of water, a little bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and a pinch of garam masala, and then close the lid and allow the water to boil. To this gravy, add half a spoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon of red chili powder, 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of zira powder, 2 to 2.5 spoons of salt depending on your taste. Add 2.5 spoons of curd. Add 1 full lemon juice. Stir well nicely so that the masalas get cooked well and the oil oozes out separately. In this stage, you can add the chicken which we have kept it separately. Close the lid and keep it in a sim for 5 minutes. Once the water boils, you can add 2 glasses of basmati rice into it and then close the lid. After 5 minutes, you can check if the rice is cooked to 3/4 and then you can drain the excess water from the rice. Keep the rice separately. Now the chicken masala is cooked so well, take half the masala out and keep it separately for the later use. Add 1 layer of rice to this masala and then I have poured 3 different colors, lemon, saffron and green, so that it gives you a nice tri-colored biryani in the final stage. Now add the chicken masala which we have kept aside. Then again add the layer of rice. Again add the tricolors on the rice and then you can add the fried onions in it and then the plain milk, which is optional, but by doing this what happens is it will enhance your biryani's taste. I would like to share a tip here. Whatever kind of biryani you make, it should always be 1:1.5 ratio of water. For example, 1 cup of rice, it should be 1.5 cup of water, so that your rice doesn't stick to each other and the biryani looks fluffy. Cover the lid with any cloth so that the air doesn't come out and keep it in sim for about 7 to 10 minutes in a dum. Now take a charcoal and burn it and keep it on a steel plate. Put the steel plate inside the biryani pot. When you really feel that the biryani is ready, at that stage you have to take this charcoal, this hot charcoal, and then you have to place it inside the biryani pot, and then you can add 1 tablespoon of butter or else 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the fumes comes out, immediately you have to close it with the lid so that it gives you a nice aroma of a barbecue kind of biryani. See, now when you take it out, you will find the 3 layers: saffron, lemon, and then the green layers. Here it goes, our yummy chicken double layered dum biryani is ready to be served. Enjoy this main course with a curd, raita and a cucumber salad. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Stay tuned.